I'm at Sound Leisure in Leeds today, an amazing British business, building jukeboxes, distributing them all around the world, really just to get a sense of how this business is feeling about its own business, but also about its prospects for Leeds and also for the UK. I always think the best way to get a real insight into how our customers are feeling, how we're helping them, what we're doing well, what we're not doing well, is to come out and meet them. And as well as that, you get a fascinating insight into the founders of these businesses, what motivates them, the teams they have, their plans for growing. So you just learn an awful lot, and I can bring that back into the business and say, we're winning because we're doing this, or actually we need to be better at this. So it's a tremendous insight from my perspective.
Our relationship with NatWest goes back about 20 years. We were looking to expand from a previous premises we had in Leeds and really struggling to find funding to move into a much larger premises. And NatWest came on board at that point and supported us to make that move. Manufacturing sector in Yorkshire continues to be strong. We work with some really skilled and unique businesses who are doing some really interesting things. But I think in general, we suffer from a lack of support since we kind of came out of the EU. We were really keen to meet Paul today. I think it's a great opportunity to show people at the top of the sectors in our country that British manufacturing is still really strong and can do some really amazing things. We export 80% of our products, everything we make, so it's a real opportunity to show somebody at that level the quality that British manufacturing can produce.
Mid-market businesses, first of all, are absolutely crucial to the UK economy. Things that are on their mind, there's obviously some uncertainty in terms of the budget which is coming up, so that they're interested to see what's going to happen there. The international uncertainty for those businesses that are exporting, so they're thinking about which markets are going to be attractive, which are not going to be attractive. And they're also worried about interest rates and inflation. A lot of them have got exciting investment plans, but they want to understand where interest rates are going to be, how much it's going to cost to borrow money. So a lot of things on their mind. But what I would say is that there is a degree of optimism and confidence as well. They want to get through the budget. They want to expand and invest in their businesses, and they see good opportunities and prospects for selling more of their products, in this case, more jukeboxes, around the world.